Hello and welcome back to another video from iStorage. My name is Asha and I'm the Digital Marketing Strategist. If you don't know who we are, click this video here, where we go into a bit more depth about who we are and how we play such a critical role within the infrastructure of so many organisations globally who trust iStorage to protect their sensitive and precious data. In short, we design and develop hardware encrypted, pin protected, easy to use, sleek, portable data storage devices that are certified to stringent government accreditation standards. This is the first video in our how-to series, where we will deep dive into each of our products in a how-to guide. Today we will be looking at the datAshur PRO+C. It is an easy-to-use, hardware-encrypted, pin-protected USB flash drive available in capacities of 32GB, 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB. It's a part of our datAshur range but has faster data transfer speeds of 310 MB per second read and 246 MB per second write. Let's take a look at it in use. As you can see with this drive, you decide which connector works best for you. The datAshur PRO+C incorporates a USB Type-C connector, however we also supply a Type-C to Type-A adapter. For example, if you have a MacBook or updated Apple device, then you would connect via Type-C connector. However, if you have an older laptop or desktop, then you would use the Type-C to A adapter. What's great is that you now have the option to choose. At iStorage, we always strive to create new innovative ideas that make your life easier. To begin, you first configure a unique 8 to 15 digit PIN, which you can create by following the instructions provided on the Quick Start Guide. Once configured, you will need to enter the PIN in order to gain access to the drive. After setting up your PIN and you have unlocked the drive, simply plug it into the computer and the drive will work like any other regular USB flash drive. You will be able to use it simply by dragging and dropping files as you would do with any other non-encrypted flash drive. Once you have finished using the drive, safely eject the drive from the host. When removed, all the data will be hardware encrypted using the AES 256-bit algorithm, with no additional steps required from you. Now we have seen how easy it is to use, subscribe to our channel so you can see our next video where we take a deep dive into all of the features and really show off the details that put us at the forefront of what we do. Leave a like, comment, and don't forget to follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.